Sitting here now, we are in Baku between Europe, Asia, Central Asia and the Middle East. Do countries like Azerbaijan become peripheral players or strategic connectors in this new order?
In the new order that I would like to see, which is a peaceful, multipolar, cooperating world, Azerbaijan and the South Caucasus would be natural key connectors. This is the kind of world that we want. Eurasia should be an integrated economic region. It should be peaceful, stretching from all the way the Atlantic coast all the way across to the Pacific and north-south. I don't see any reason why we should be having the kind of conflicts that we do. I think they are outmoded and outdated. And I often say that Europe's global gateway should invest from west towards the east. China's Belt and Road Initiative should invest from the east towards the west. They can meet in Baku, they can celebrate, and they can help make Baku a great interconnector. And what's distinctive, of course, about the South Caucasus and Baku is also that it is not only the east-west interconnector, but a north-south interconnector. So we need peace, we need cooperation, trade, investment, and tourism, because people should come and see this beautiful place.
Exactly. And just on that, Azerbaijan is actually positioning itself as a connectivity hub through energy routes. In today's fragmented global economy, do you think that connectivity itself has become a form of a geopolitical power? Unfortunately,
we're in an age of intense geopolitics, and I don't mean cooperation. There's a war in the nearby region here, which the United States and Israel launched for their strategic reasons. There's a broader war in the Middle East, Israel's war on Gaza. I'm not in favor of any of these military adventures. I find them very destructive and completely unnecessary. So we need peace. We need solutions to issues like energy, not by trying to corner the market or trying to control supplies, but actually both market-based and attention to the long-term energy transformation as well. Azerbaijan is a hydrocarbon power, but we're moving to a world of wind, solar, hydro, nuclear as well. And this region is also rich in solar power. There should be a massive Central Asian solar industry developed, which would include the South Caucasus. So there's lots of good things to do. War, in my view, solves none of those problems, only sets us back.